Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Space Slam is a high-impact aerial ability in Z Battlegrounds that launches enemies skyward. It deals 120 damage on direct impact and applies a 50% stun chance for 5 seconds. The ability has a 3-second cooldown and consumes 40 energy per use. You must be in midair and within 5 meters above the target to trigger Space Slam. Activation window spans 6 seconds before impact. Timing is critical for consistent hits. You can cancel recovery with a dash input immediately after landing for smoother rotations. Practice on training bots to learn hitbox angles and optimal vertical positioning. Press jump then forward plus slam input while within 5 meters above the target. Hold forward for a cleaner trajectory and align crosshair to the target center before impact. Aim for the target center to hit with full 120 damage and take advantage of stun. If the enemy is moving, lead by 5 meters in their direction for predictable hits. Cancel recovery by inputting dash within 25 seconds after landing to maintain momentum. Use a brief hover before committing if you face multiple opponents nearby. Monitor your 3-second cooldown to avoid being caught without the ability. Combine Space Slam with Shock Beam for a follow-up burst that deals plus 80 damage quickly. Start the combo by initiating Space Slam to launch the target, then immediately chain Shock Beam during their stun window. Avoid using Space Slam against knockback shields or when enemy has escape available, otherwise you will be interrupted. Use teammates to bait escapes before committing to a full slam. On elevated maps, approach with a 45-degree arc to maximize vertical force and hitbox time. Keep track of energy and cooldown to time aggressive rotations effectively. Adapt your use based on target mobility and...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.